Let me give you a quick intuition on how naive-based classifier works. Here I am using the same bag of words representation we prepared in the previous section. Assume we get a new customer review saying this place is wow, and we have to predict sentiment for this review. As you know by now, post data cleaning, this review should look like this, having two tokens, place and wow. In bag of words representation, this new review would look like this with ones against the tokens wow and place and zeros against other model dictionary tokens. By the way, all these tokens collectively are called model dictionary. For classification, naive-based classifier uses conditional probabilities. As we may observe in historic reviews for token wow, when it is present, review is always positive given the limited training data we have here. So it depicts a positive sentiment. Similarly, when token love is absent, review is always negative, depicting a negative sentiment. Likewise for place. For crust, however, review is both positive and negative when this token is absent. With 50-50 chances, we can't take a clear call here. Thus, we would need more data to decide whether crust as a token contributes to positive sentiment or negative. Likewise, we have done this exercise for all tokens, analyzing their conditional probabilities. With the limited information we have, we can see three tokens are showing positive sentiment against one that suggests negative. Thus, we are concluding this review is a positive review. This is exactly how naive-based classifier would classify reviews for us.